Hello, this is the Pencast for topic 4. So for part 1a, I need to describe what polarized light is. So polarized light is light that either through scattering, reflection, or Polaroid filters has gone from vibrating in all directions to vibrating in a planar fashion or on a single plane. Sadly, it is not the process of turning regular bears into polar bears. Yes, my heart is truly broken. Now for part B. So part B asks what angle is required for polarizers so that it'll go through three polarizers or polarized lenses. First it will be unpolarized light, then it'll go through once. First it'll be unpolarized light. This will be intensity naught. Then it'll go through and it'll be intensity 1. It'll go through again and be intensity 2. And then finally it'll be intensity 3. So using the formulas for intensity of light after it goes through a polarizer. So first, when unpolarized light goes through a polarizer, its intensity is cut in half. So I0 over 2 equals I1. Afterwards, polarized intensity times cosine squared of theta equals the intensity after the next polarization. So gonna act like that didn't happen. So intensity 1 times cosine squared theta equals intensity 2. And the same is true for intensity 2 cosine squared theta and intensity 3. And theta will be the same because it is going from vertical to an angle back to vertical. Using this, we can derive a formula where I0 equals intensity 3 over cosine squared theta all over cosine squared theta. Or intensity 3 equals intensity naught times 2 cosine squared theta. Then intensity 3 over intensity naught equals 2 cosine squared theta divided by 2. Eventually that'll be intensity 3 for 2 I0. And so eventually we have it to the point where the inverse cosine of the square root of intensity 3 over 2 intensity naught equals theta. once we insert intensity 3, which is 10, or 10 watts, over intensity naught times 2, you will eventually get that theta equals so that theta equals 82.8 in degrees. And that is the answer for part B.